Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm doing sun printing with watercolours. To begin with, I tape my watercolour paper to a whiteboard. This secures the paper while working and also stops it from buckling when wet. With water, I lightly spray the paper and also spray my watercolours. That tends to activate them so they're easier to work with. As you can see here, I'm just randomly placing paint on the paper and then I'm just moving the board around and it gives a nice effect. The splatter effect can also have nice results on the finished piece. I place my leaves randomly on the piece and I press down gently with my fingers. I place a piece of glass over the piece of work to secure it in place. This glass is from a picture frame, or you could use a piece of Perspex. And then I place it in the sun for about 4 hours. Gently peel away your leaves and you will reveal your sun print. Peel away gently your tape from your piece of work. Don't do what I did and tore it slightly. Another reason why I like using masking tape in my work is because when it's peeled away, it leaves a nice border when your work is complete. The results from sun printing with watercolours are simply subtle and just beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe or give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.